A beurre blanc is a classic French sauce. It's a warm emulsion that is creamy, rich, and slightly tangy from the use of vinegar and white wine. Now, beurre blanc goes so well with fish, and it also goes well with shellfish. So I'm going to serve mine with some stunning scallops. Look how beautiful these are. Now, let's start with our beurre blanc. It is all about temperature control, and this is why I love induction, particularly when it's really good quality, accurate induction cooking. So I'm going to turn this onto quite a medium to high heat to start with. So we'll start at 5 or 6, and we can add our vinegar. So I like to add more vinegar than white wine. I just really like the tang because it cuts through the richness of the butter, and you can see I've got a lot of butter for this recipe. A tablespoon or so of white wine. Just turn that up even more, and you'll see this comes up to the boil immediately. Then some French shallot. Now I've just finely chopped my French shallot. You want to be using a French shallot with this as opposed to an onion. An onion is too harsh. You want the sweetness of the French shallot. So another classic that goes into this. So that's one shallot. And see how that's come up to a rapid boil? Fantastic. We can turn that down now and allow that to reduce. So that needs to reduce by 2/3. It needs to be quite concentrated before we start adding the other ingredients, so a hint of cream and butter. So while that's bubbling away, I'm going to chop up some tomato and some chives. So you can keep it very simple just with eschalots, but I love the pop of freshness at the end from the tomato and the chives. And what I've done with the tomatoes here is just placed whole tomatoes into some rapidly boiling water, taken the skins off. And I don't like the skins on my tomatoes because I want it to be really delicate. So no skins, we just want the pure flesh. So I'll finely chop these, and I'll also finely chop some chives. All right, this is reduced significantly, so I'm going to add some cream, so just a splash of cream. Now, it's not traditional to add cream to a beurre blanc, but I find that it stabilises the sauce and stays really velvety and glossy. It's also important to have the heat quite low. Low heat, rapidly whisking cold butter is the key to this. So it's all about accuracy and heat control. It's also a good idea to take it off the heat and then back on the heat. And that's why induction is so good for this, because you do have that accuracy. So in with 1 knob of butter to start with, and we're going to whisk that. This technique is called monter au beurre, or mounting with butter. And it just means little by little, we're going to form our emulsification. So that vinegar and the butter together is going to make the best sauce ever. I just love it. So once that's almost completely melted in with the next lot. And we'll just continue the process. Okay, this beurre blanc is looking fantastic. Not too thick, not too thin. It hasn't split. It is perfection. Now, once you finish whisking it, we just want to turn the temperature down even lower. So this goes all the way down to a 1. Now, the 1 is just going to sit that at a really gentle, almost just warm heat, so the sauce doesn't split. And I need it to sit there while we get on with our scallops. So I've got a little pan here. I've just been warming up, but now I can crank this up to a 9. So we've got a nice hot heat to cook our scallops. The key to cooking a really good scallops is to not overcook them. You want them to be slightly opaque in the center. So these scallops have been cleaned, the roe has been taken off, and I'll add a drizzle of oil, just a light amount of oil, a good pinch of salt. No pepper required for this, and we just want to coat them in a thin film of that oil. All right, let's cook these. They take no more than 30 seconds on each side. So as soon as I pop them in, you can see it's a lovely hot pan. I'll check them to see if we need to turn them. And while they're cooking, I need to season the beurre blanc. We haven't seasoned it with salt. It's a must. So a good pinch of salt and a little whisk. And I'm happy with that. All right, plate ready to go. And I'm going to flip these and give them another 30 seconds at most. All right, these gorgeous scallops are looking just right, so straight off the heat. And to finish the sauce, the tomato, we can add that to our Beurre Blanc. Just mix that through, and lots of the chives. And that right there is just such a beautiful sauce. I will taste it just to check the seasoning. Heaven, absolute heaven. It's tangy because we've still got that vinegar in there, but it's still quite lush because of the butter. It's a perfect balance. I'm going to start with the sauce on the plate and spread that around. And then I'll dot these perfectly cooked scallops over the top. This is elegant cooking at its finest, restaurant quality, but it can be done at home. It's one of those sauces that you practice, and once you understand the heat control when it comes to a Beurre Blanc, you will nail it every single time. This is just something that I think is so special. If you want to show off in the kitchen, then this is the dish to do.